Omwaka wa 2020 obwihangire Uganda lyabire ryo mukeshereko ka COVID-19 akatareke binyanja kabire nkakorera muri mpondo rubire hatawuno kanso omu district ya Kasese kakatwara omuyanga lya Democratic Republic of Congo. Bwanyuma y'abashubuzi kugumana babona bari kuzo omuyanga lya Congo, President Museveni akija atuma Lieutenant Colonel Masetu Kahirwa orokoro kurwana sensho hamba hanyanja za Uganda ngo agariza katara ku muyanga lya Uganda.
We are the youth. We used to have a challenge that we used to have many school dropouts and they turned to be thugs. Now these thugs had become a very big headache to us. Now currently they have a solution that these days they can come participate in the market here. They find something that keeps them busy.
Abashubuzi bashabire Lieutenant Colonel Kahirwa obutagariza katara ku muyanga lya Congo.
Ndi banamutoka erisasuresha fees nerela biresha family shari omamani wabo.
By the time the market came from Congo, so far we have registered 800 youth who are having jobs through offloading and loading. That is achievement 1.
Abebembezi bayindire barakugira ngo barukupakira binyanja baguma shashure emitwaro 5 okuruga emitwaro 3 gashoka Gilbert Muhanguzi.